Hello students, you all are welcome to the class of Entrepreneurship Development. We are going to discuss today, it is social entrepreneurship. The last class we discussed about the rural entrepreneurship. Then we already discussed intrapreneurship. So it is a new topic, the social entrepreneurship. It is an approach by individuals, group or startup companies or entrepreneurs in which they develop, fund and implement solutions to social issues or cultural issues. So here this type of entrepreneurs mainly focused on or mainly tries to find a solution to the existing social issues or to tackle a social problem. That type of entrepreneurship we called as social entrepreneurship. Here are some few examples of popular social entrepreneurs in the world. It is William Bill Drayton is a social entrepreneur, was named by US News World Report as one of the America's 25 best leaders in 2005. Is the founder of Ashoka, Innovators for the Public. Then it is Muhammad Yunus, is a Bangladeshi social entrepreneur and founder of Grameen Bank. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for founding Grameen Bank and is the pioneering the concept of microcredit and microfinance. Muhammad Yunus is another very famous social entrepreneur. Then Anshu Gupta from India, Indian social entrepreneur who founded Gunj, a non-governmental organization, is also an Ashoka Fellow. Then Urvashi Sahni, another social entrepreneur, social woman entrepreneur. He founded an organization in the name of Chef, which offering education to the most disadvantaged girls in India. So actually, what is social entrepreneurship? Here it is the meaning. Social entrepreneurship is doing business for social cause. It might also be referred as selfless entrepreneurship. They're acting or they're working or they're doing their entrepreneurial activities for the well-being of others, not for profit motive, just for well-being or welfare of the society. They combine commerce and social issues in a way that improve the lives of the people. They don't measure their business or they measure their success in terms of profit. They measure the success in terms of the improved lives. Meaning and definition of social entrepreneurship. According to Greg Dees, is considered as the father of social entrepreneurship education. Social entrepreneurs are individuals with innovative solutions to society's most pressing social problems. They are persistent and ambitious, tackle major social issues, and offer new ideas for a wide scale change. There is a definition given by Muhammad Yunus, a famous social entrepreneur. I already told you who founded Grameen Bank in Bangladesh. Social business entrepreneurs are the solution. They're the solution. They found solutions for the social issues. They tackle the social problems by finding solution for that one. Social entrepreneurs work as an agent for the society. They look for opportunities that include improving the system, inventing new approaches, and able to create solutions that can change society for the better. A social entrepreneur can come up with new solutions to the problems of society, implement them on a large scale, and change the face of society. So, from all these definitions and meaning, it is clear that a social entrepreneur is a person who starts entrepreneurial activities as a solution to the existing social issues or to tackle a social problem. It is a new area of entrepreneurship that involves non-profit organizations, governments, and business that focuses on innovation, risk-taking, and with particular emphasis on bringing positive transformation to the social problems that ultimately leads to social change. These are certain characteristics of social entrepreneurs. He is an inspired one. Social entrepreneurs are more creative. They took direct actions. They're courageous, social vision, and innovative. Inspired by because social entrepreneurs are inspired to alter the unpleasant equilibrium. If they see in any unpleasant situation in the society, they tries to or they will start research how to tackle this type of problems. Then creative. They think creatively and develop new solution to break the existing one. A new solution for the existing problems or existing social issues. Then social entrepreneurs take the direct action when they are convinced with the idea or opportunity. When they found an opportunity, sure they will start action. Then they're always involved in innovating new product or process. So invariably they to take major challenges and take the risk of implementing the challenges with a great courage. Social entrepreneurs has far-sighted vision for changing the society and add values to the society. They're innovator of the system, processor or design or methods or products for the better results and simplification. Then there are a few importance of social entrepreneurship or relevance for the social entrepreneurship. One is employment development. As we know, entrepreneurship or entrepreneurs will create a lot of employment opportunities. So social entrepreneurs are also like that one. So those social entrepreneurship will also develop more employment opportunities for the society. Another characteristics or importance of social entrepreneurship is innovation. Innovation of new products and services or new methods of production. Social enterprises develop and apply innovation important to social and economic development and develop new goods and services. Issues addressed include some of the biggest social problems such as HIV, mental ill health, illiteracy, crime, and drug abuse, which importantly are confronted in the innovative ways. Then another one it is social capital. We already know about economic capital. It is something different. It is about social capital. Most important values created by social entrepreneurship is social capital. That is the networks of relationship among people who live and work in a particular society, enabling that society to function effectively. So that collective relationship among the people is called as social capital. So social entrepreneurs give more values for personal relationships and network of relationships. Then one more is the equity promotion. Equity or fairness, access to same opportunities. Social entrepreneurship fosters a more equitable society by addressing social issues and trying to achieve ongoing sustainable impact through their social mission rather than purely profit maximization. They mainly focused on social issues. By tackling this type of social issues or discrimination, they ensure or they foster equity among the society. All these are about social entrepreneurship. So simply, social entrepreneurship means doing something or doing entrepreneurial activities for the well-being of the society or with an intention to tackle or to solve a social issue. That type of entrepreneurial initiatives we call as social entrepreneurship. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.